I managed to pick up 30 file handles here, 20 quid for the lot, works out about 66p a piece. Looking at my file drawer, all my files have mixed handles and some are coming off like that. These are cheap, they're okay, but I want to upgrade it for something a bit better quality. These are Python branded ones, they're called a safety handle. The main difference is the fact that the ferrule is actually spun onto the wood, and as you press your file in to the handle, there's a return on the ferrule, so it actually bites into the file. They work a lot better. So the first job, I'm just going to oil these handles. I'm just using some boiled linseed oil. As you can see, I've done them first, so I'm going to carry on and finish these up, and then finally you can get the file drawer sorted out, which is just a mess. Coming back to the drawer, I have a prime example of why you need a ferrule. This has got a split in it. I made this many years ago when I didn't have any handles or files, so it's probably the first file I got. Got this set here, was awarded to me for part of my apprenticeship, so I can never really replace them. And this file my dad got me, it's my first file, and I remember him telling me off for using it incorrectly, using it more like a saw back and forwards, but it still cuts alright. So I want to get these all nicely laid out. I'm going to somehow make some spacing to hold them upright so they're not all scratching each other, and then I'll hopefully have a bit more space to get some better quality ones. So I've got some of the files done. Now moving on to cutting some wood. So I've cut this piece from that big chunk using a Japanese handsaw that made light work of it. So I've cut a lot of slots for the different files. I'm gonna sand it up now. Green felt over the top. So I've just tacked on some bits of wood on the ends to stop the file holder sliding. And that's all the big files done. Now to move on to the smaller ones.